Physics Practical Paper 2023 Group 5. Section number 1. Question number 1. Verified time period is independent of amplitude of vibration of an oscillator. Question number 2. Evaluate Young's modulus of a wire by Searle, S apparatus. Question number 3. Estimate the focal length of a convex lens by displacement method. Section No. 2. Question number 4. Determine the resistance of a voltmeter by drawing graph of R versus 1 over V. Question number 5. Find the EMF of a cell by using a potentiometer. Question number 6. Convert a galvanometer into an ammeter of reading up to 1.0 A. Section number 3. Question number 7. Draw a graph from the data provided below. Determine the value of f of a convex lens by the method of slope. Take P plus Q along x-axis. Question number 8. Plot a graph of the following recorded data between R and S. Find the resistance of galvanometer by graphic slope.